In this video, we're gonna see 5 graphic designing books that I recommend if you're a beginner or intermediate graphic designer. By reading books, can you learn graphic designing? Yes, of course. But now the tools or the softwares, you'll be able to generate great ideas. And reading books can also boost your creativity. Number 1. For logo designing, logo modernism. While designing a logo, sometimes you'll run out of ideas. And also visualization will become poor. This book is great for inspiration. Like it has 5000 plus logo designs to get inspired. Number 2. Learning graphic designing principles. The language of graphic design. So you just started your graphic designing career. You want to learn what are do's and don'ts. Then this book is for you. Also, learning graphic designing principles are really important when you're starting your career in designing. Number 3. Colors. The Pocket Complete Color Harmony. When you talk about graphic designing, colors play most important role in designs. We can present great visuals using colors, and also we can give a life to a brand using colors. This book will help you to understand colors in design and also in general. Number 4. Want to learn how to create brand identity designs. Creating a brand identity. This book is the best choice for beginners. If you're interested in working on big projects like building brand design from scratch, organizing all the elements and designing a complete branding design for a small business or a startups, just go for this book. Finally, typography. Thinking with type. I can say like this book has all the informations about the typography and also a lot of design references for you to learn. You'll fall in love with this book while reading. This book is also for beginners and intermediates. Okay, we have come to the end. To make it easy, I've added all the links of these books mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to check out. I want to show you what books I have currently. This is called How to Choose and Use the Typeface. It covers how we can use typeface in our designs, like in print or in digital. This one is Graphic Designing Bible. It's a great book. It helps to understand how the design style started and also evolved. And also it talks about the history of graphic design. If you found something valuable in this video, hit like and subscribe. By doing that, we can learn and explore together. See you again in another graphic designing content.